Don't ask me how, but this house is okay. I don't get it. Must be Buddha over there in the corner. I don't know. But it's okay. It's better than okay. And mostly because my brilliant husband had, after Irene, the seawall raised a little bit, just enough to protect the foundation and the tree that grows through the deck, and here it comes again. Now, we are still not close to high tide, but it's starting to come over. Wow, hallelujah. Hallelujah.